We have some breaking news coming in. India Today has accessed the remand copy of accused Vishal Bhandari in TRP fixing scandal. The accused Vishal Bhandari has revealed that he received 20,000 rupees per month from two people. Accused Vishal Bhandari revealed that he was told to convince people to watch Republic TV. The accused here, Vishal, has revealed that households were paid 400 to 500 rupees to watch Republic for a lot more time than prescribed. Here is Vishal Bhandari, who has been arrested by the police, and now India Today has accessed the remand copy of the accused Vishal Bhandari in the TRP fixing scandal. The accused Vishal Bhandari has revealed that he received 20,000 rupees per month only to convince people to watch Republic TV. He was the relationship manager to about 85 households, which was the sample size to check TRP ratings where the barometers were placed. Here is Vishal Bhandari, who has admitted that he has received 20,000 rupees per month for the last, in fact, from two people for quite a while now, only to spike TRP ratings, to convince households to watch Republic TV, to keep the channel switched on through the day, even if they're home or not, in return for 400 to 500 rupees. Here is Vishal Bhandari, who's revealed that he was told to convince people to watch Republic TV. The accused Vishal Bhandari here has revealed that the households were paid 400 to 500 rupees to watch Republic TV for a lot more time. These households were convinced to keep Republic TV switched on through the day, whether they were home or not. Republic TV has got to be on. Here is India Today accessing the remand copy where Vishal Bhandari has admitted to be receiving 20,000 rupees from two people only to convince households to keep Republic TV switched on. Here's the evidence that the Mumbai police has against the Republic TV in the mega TRP racket. Accused and witnesses have cleared names, very clearly named Republic TV in their statement. We have one witness on record telling us that she got a call to watch Republic TV for money, in exchange of money, and received no such call from India Today for that matter. Another witness statement to cops said that he was asked to watch Republic TV and keep the channel switched on through the day, whether he was home or not, in exchange of 400 rupees per month. There are also WhatsApp conversations and SMSs between the accused Vishal Bhandari and different household owners discussing payments for watching Republic TV. And then there's the accused Vishal's diary, which has clear entries detailing households which were paid to watch Republic TV. Vishal Bhandari has kept a diary where he's detailed all these households that he was approaching. The households where sample size, where barometers were placed only to check TRP ratings, and Vishal Bhandari, who was a relationship manager to these households, somehow managed to influence these households in exchange of 400 rupees. This is what he's committed and admitted to the police as well. India Today has accessed the remand copy. In fact, conclusive proof that nails Republic TV's lies on TRP here. The witness, who is a Mumbai resident, has also said now that he used to get paid 400 rupees on a monthly basis to keep Republic TV switched on. The witness in his statement to the Mumbai police names two people, Dinesh Vishwakarma, Vishal Bhandari. Both these people have been named. The duo came to his house. He says that these two came to his house to check the barometer reading and asked him if he watches Republic TV. When the witness said no, they offered him money to keep the channel switched on. As of now, a total of 4 people have been arrested so far, including Vishal Bhandari and Sanjeev Rao, who helped paying households to watch Republic TV. This comes just a day after Mumbai police made a sensational revelation, claiming that along with 2 Marathi channels, Republic TV cheated Bharat by paying for TRPs here. Republic TV's editor, promoters and those involved in the case here will soon be summoned by the Mumbai police. Mumbai police has also filed an FIR in which they've slapped section 420, which accounts to cheating and dishonesty. Cutting across to Shiv Sena, they're reacting to this. Let's take a listen.
किंचाळणारे कर्कस्थ चॅनल कालपर्यंत करत होते, एका सद्भावनेने आमच्या विरुद्ध आंदोलन आवाज उठवत होते. खोटं खरं, बनावट पुरावे, बोंबाबोंब, आरडाओरड, हे काय होतं? याच्या मागे, तुमच्या मागे हा काळा पैसा होता, हा भ्रष्टाचाराचा पैसा होता. जर कोणी म्हणालं की लोकांना जे पैसे वाटले चॅनल पाहण्यासाठी, तो पैसा ड्रग्स रॅकेटमधून आला होता, तर चालेल का? पुलिस तपास करताय, पुलिसांना तपास करतो.
आज एक बात सामने ये आई है, इन्वेस्टिगेशन जारी है, पर किस तरीके से पत्रकारिता का चोला ओढ़कर पत्रकार के वेशभूषा में एक गलत एजेंडा, एक गलत देश के सामने पत्रकारिता का नमूना दिखाने का जिन्होंने काम किया है, आज वो सब एक्सपोज हुए हैं। इन्वेस्टिगेशन के रूप में जो भी निकलता है, जो भी सच्चाई सामने आती है, हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि इंफॉर्मेशन ब्रॉडकास्टिंग मिनिस्ट्री इस पे कार्रवाई करेगी।
चिल्ला चिल्ला के अब तक लोगों के बारे में जो अर्नब गोस्वामी अब तक बोल रहा था, उस अर्नब गोस्वामी को आप कब अरेस्ट करेंगे? भारत पूछ रहा है, देश की जनता पूछ रही है, कब होगा अर्नब गोस्वामी जेल के अंदर और कब पुलिस करेगी उससे छानबीन? जल्दी से जल्दी इस अर्नब गोस्वामी को अरेस्ट किया जाए, ऐसी मांग मैंने पुलिस कमिश्नर श्री परमवीर सिंह के पास आज की है।
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.